totally setting up Wealthchart for the first time. We're gonna do it together. Just you know, learning at the same time. I'm gonna here create the NQ. No, I will do this here. Different. No, second chart. Second. No, charts. Only charts. Higher time frame. Higher time frames. I'm gonna create this new dashboard, and I'm gonna take it out, so you're not gonna see it anymore. What is it? How can I take it out? I wanted to take it out. Do it. Duplicate, save as password, rename. Save as dashboard. Hello, Dominic. No, I want to. Yeah, of course I'm gonna save it as dashboard. I'm gonna do it right now. Save as a new dashboard. Yes. The point is, I want. This. How do I split it? Duplicate, rename. Usually, no. Can I open a new page? No problema. I'm gonna put here and then. Did I spell wrongly higher time frames? What the heck, guys? So I'm gonna put here. And MNQH6. MNQH6, and as well, I'm gonna add another one on the right. MNQH6. Good morning, traffics. And gonna as well, and then I'm gonna be able to show you right now that part, and it's gonna be this one, and I'm gonna do. Yes. I'm trying to understand if it doesn't make sense, but I will play around it and figure it out the best. For the moment, the market just reopened there. Looking what can I do? I would like to see this. Maybe you know what I can do is this. Do like that. Here, this one, remove it. We don't need it. This one, cut it out, and just show you this. It makes sense. Yes. Yes, I start to use Wealthchart, guys. I start to use Wealthchart. No. I start to use Wealthchart. So people are interested. Oh, wow. And now you can see the order panel here on the top. And what we can do as well is, yeah, this is, for example, account 187. I need to have the $50,000 account, and yeah, that's for the moment. I'm looking and watching Wealthchart. There is these indicators from Championship Wealthcharts. Great indicators. I used them in the past. Then I stopped. I don't know why, but great indicators for direction-wise. And Rob from Wealthchart as well teach them. To be honest, that's very interesting. Oh, I don't understand. Hey, what's up, Zog? What's up, guys? Market right now just open and is pushing higher. We have pre-market high here on the top. Wait, is that pre-market high? No. What time frame is this one? This is 5 minutes. Okay, let me change it. Let me change it to 3 minutes. Change the ability, add indicators, templates. Time frames, seconds, minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah, this is pre-market high here on the top. Yeah, I bought some new accounts yesterday, some evaluation. I spent $60 yesterday. $60, not that much. Just because I want to just trade the evaluation and see and exercise with them. Don't need to spend for PAs. I have some evaluation that already passed. I can convert them if I want. I'm just taking the time that I need to, get a little bit better and improve. Yeah, better. Yeah, right? There is no need to rush on PAs. People rush on PAs thinking something changes, but yeah, no, I'm taking my time right now. I'm gonna try to pass the evaluation with some normal trading actions. So right now, I don't need the DOM. I don't like to have the DOM. I'm gonna remove the DOM on my section here. Then I'm gonna add another chart on the left side and put, for example, NQH6, and I'm gonna add, what I'm gonna add? I'm gonna add the time frames, minutes, hours, 1 hour, time frames, minutes, 15 minutes. Now here I'm gonna do ES H6 time frame, 1 hour, and then here on the left side I'm gonna do time frame 15 minutes, and then you don't need to see this. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Let's see if we can pass an evaluation step by step without risking aggressively much. Yeah, if we go to the daily chart, guys, time frames here, days, we go daily chart. What we can see is definitely some big triangulation on the daily chart. Looking for some bullish situation there. Look at that, trying to push. We already wicked lower here. There could have been some buying pressure a little bit here on the side. 724 would have been a nice to start their buying, but let's see what it wants to do. Does it wants to come higher? Yesterday, to be honest, I traded very bad, guys, because if I went to the time frames, and we spoke as well with Nick, it's crazy that I looked for downside when this hourly chart here took some important lows and then start to push. The moment it starts to push, we had liquidity level here above that right now where got grabbed that I could have looked for as a target. Instead I don't know what I had in my mind. Switching to Wealthchart, yes. Good morning, Fayad. For the moment, I have 4 accounts, and as well, Wealthchart is coming with big updates next week, and I want to show you guys. I'm gonna do a recap. I'm gonna do a tutorial of it. Let me see something interesting about the Wealthchart here. On the bottom, you have Wealthchart tracker. Let me see if it's gonna show you something. Disclaimer: I agree. Okay. If you go here on the user side, I mean, now it's a bit cut. Let me go to the full screen round camera. And we go here, guys. It's so funny. Top traders, here it shows the guy that made more money with one singular trade in Epics and Wealthcharts. And look at them, all of them are in silver because these days silver is insane. But at the same time, the worst trades today are from silver as well. So everyone that is trading silver right now are the people that are making more money, but at the same time are the people that lose more money. You can see the best trade. And if you click on it, it is going to show you as well where this person took the trade. He took a short and he bought back here. So this is a beautiful things of Wealthchart here. You can see the best traders around, what they're doing, and get some points if you like to see what the others are doing. Maybe one day one of your trade is going to show up here. Most probably my trade is going to show up in the bottom side. We're back here, pushing right now there. Pre-market highs. This is previous day's highs. Previous day's highs was this one here that is already taken. So definitely some continuation push here, support, breaker retest of this area of support. This is a nice place to start buying there. Yeah, good morning, Mohammed. Next week, a great update for you, Abdel. For you and Redwan. Good updates. And I believe I can say it. It's gonna come anyway next week. It's gonna be max loss and profit targets lockouts. And I got a confirmation that it's gonna be full lockout. So the moment you break it, until you don't break the rule, you can change the amount. But until you don't break the lockout, the loss or the profit, you can change it. The moment you reach your lockout and Wealthchart liquidates you and close and all the orders, you cannot change it until the next trading day. So you can have a max loss, and yeah, it's gonna be on the tutorial next week, how to use it and other things. Yes. Not the same as Wealthchart. Tradovate does allow you to change it, so that is not a real full lockout. But with Wealthchart, yes, guys, you will be able to lock yourself out and trade. Yeah, it's very nice, to be honest. Very nice update from Wealthchart. 90% is over, guys, but the PA piece is still ongoing. I still have to change all my expense lower, guys. Here it's gonna be update today and tomorrow. I will change it. I just had needed some time, but the only expense I had until now for this new year is $60 I spent yesterday for Wealthchart's accounts. So right now I'm down $60 on the year. Okay, let's go, Dominic. I like that you aim for small wins, but small wins adds up. Small wins adds up. Especially many times we forget that if you have many funded accounts and you make $50, you're making $1,000. Right now we're taking previous market highs there. Still market pushing from yesterday, guys. Still pushing, but I'm thinking to, let me add my, where is, it's here on my trading channel. Okay, let me close this and do a time frame only here. Where is the time frame? Three minutes. I will start selling there. Oh, sell, disable. I don't want this confirmation anymore. Yes, sell. So what do you have, guys? Oh, wait, flatten. I want to flatten with some profit. Okay, I did a mistake. MNQ H6, not NQ. I'm gonna sell there. So what do we have here? We have the dollars amount. So you here on the top, you see how much I'm losing, how much I'm making. Some people don't like the fact that Wealthcharts shows this one on the right side, but you can just do it by right settings here and changing chart templates, bar style, global chart setting here, turn crosshair off, turn last price on, move trade indicators to the left. This one I can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it to the left. I'm used to Quant Tower having them to the left. So this is points. This is dollars amount. So right now I'm down 8-9 points. And look at Wealthchart. Is the beauty is it shows me that I'm very far from liquidation, because of course it's only one micro contract, and to liquidate this account it needs a long time. Also, finally a real platform. Quant Tower is a real platform. Better than your Ninja Trader, you piece of crap. You're using a copier now? No, right now, no, because I'm just trading only this account, no trade copier. But with Wealthchart, you have the copier. You can add it, and for example, I will show you. I'm gonna move to full screen camera here on the left side. So let's go to a new dashboard, just to give you a copier example. Here on the left side, you go here and you select copier. Copier, and oh, didn't get me. What? Okay, here. Took me some time. So here you have the trade copier. The father account, you have to select which instrument you want to trade copier, for example, MNQ6 here on the top, which account you want to trade, and the ratio. Do you want as well cross it to NQ, flatten all and everything? But remember, always the trade copier has to be in the same dashboard as where you're taking trades. So for example, if I want to trade using this trade copier, I need to have where I'm taking actions in the same dashboard. So this is a known limitation, and they are working on it to fix it. But for the moment, I don't need it. I'm trading how do you say? I'm trading just Wealthcharts here. Taking one more micro contract there short. Here on the left, you see my balance. Been and ask last whatever. Here on the top, I can do trading, change and put symbols that I like. For example, MNQ H6. Sorry, H6. Then I add as well. What is the symbol for gold, guys? MGC. Freaking hell! I forgot what is the symbol for gold. MGC. I don't remember. Which is the month? That's definitely not 5. GCG6. GCG6. And then I'm gonna put ESH MESH6. Definitely not G5. Yeah, G5 is last year. I mean, 25. So then I apply favorite symbols here. I select them, I apply. And right now here, you see it on the top right. I have saved favorite symbols. Like if I want to change quick without always looking for them, I just click here, bam. I'm back in gold. I'm in a macro ES, and I'm back in MNQ. Yeah, go on the futures tab would have been even a better way, right? Because you can just go here and just click futures. But I didn't know which was the month expiration, because you'll still be able to select different month expiration here. But there is the asterisk, means the asterisk probably is not the one to use. Good chance. Yeah. Always I always check CMA website regarding contracts to use. Honestly, these are the basic standard indicators. I have not removed them. This is the champions indicator from Wealthcharts. Let me just remove them because I don't trade with them. Let me see, where was the settings to remove them? Indicators. Add indicators? No. Wait, somewhere here. I need to remember Wealthcharts properly now because it's been a while. Where the heck did somewhere on the no, that's where the heck you it was here on the top left. Also, I don't like man, I news at 10 a.m. Man, I'm trying to remember where the heck to remove the indicators. Crazy. I don't remember where it is. This is good for me for the tutorial of next week because I have to remember stuff. It's been a while. Yeah, liquidation commission on, trader confirmation off, liquidation indicators on. Yeah, I'm gonna remove these ones. I don't need them. Then I'm gonna save layout, default copy, default layout. No, I'm gonna save the dashboard. Save as new dashboard. Yes. Then I can remove these. Yeah, and I'm training my evaluation, so I'm very chill. I like the short idea, but I'm trading macros. With one macro, 2 macros. Allow myself to call myself out of this short idea. If we are above, I have a level there, above the 940, so 100 points above. Bogdan! Yeah, what is this? Setting stabs. Setting stabs. This is not the setting style. Here, by the way, I could have removed it here 2, buy and sell, position, symbol description. No, I don't need it. Last price, net liquidity, position, bid and ask, some fine, position control, favorite symbol, yes, I want them. One level at a time, yes, I'm very chill. I don't wanna rush anything. I don't wanna rush shit anymore until I'm like very confident again. Then I will trade. So for example, if I wanna add indicator and I wanna add EMEA, double expansion demon, expansion moving average, add one indicator, previous 9, create. So right now I added that indicator. I can see it. Where the heck I can remove it? I mean, no. Yeah, man, Bogdan, like I told you, and I told the other people already, next week you're gonna have a big update on Wealthcharts regarding regarding the fact that you're gonna have a risk management settings. You're gonna be happy, my friend. You can have a lockout from the system if you breach a profit target or a stop loss. Finally. Here, I found it. Delayed. Yes. Delayed. Yes. Delayed. Yes. Delayed. 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 Yes. Delayed. Yes. Perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm short. 2 macros. I'm literally just down $60. I'm sweating my life, guys. Sweating my life. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm back. Back. Now? What do you mean now? Now what? Now what? How many people are we today, guys? Yes. Now you can ask me a question about Wealthchart. I'm gonna practice back a lot with Wealthchart, also because I'm thinking to use it as a main platform, but as well at the same time, I need to learn more and more for tutorial next week. I need to make a huge tutorial about Wealthchart, so I have to practice a little bit right now. On news candle, what do you mean about like what is what might happen, what might not happen. I really don't care about 9:45 or 10 a.m. news, but I'm like looking at the chart. We are above these pre-market highs. We're above nice pre-market highs there. Okay, we had day chart here. We're pushing nicely green there. Are we aiming to grab these highs, this previous level there? So if I take a horizontal line up to here, are we trying to get for this level? But it's a lot of resistance too, to be honest, here. If I go to, I want to draw a square. So if I draw about this area, you see it, it's a big resistance area here. That was support, become resistance. So I'm kind of aiming to this to get rejected again, but we'll see. And that's the idea. I don't know about news. Anything can happen in news, but this is the target. This is a resistance area. The next one is here on the top. Can we grab this liquidity? It's not still a liquidity. These things to become liquidity, I think it needs to correct more. Let's see. I go to the 1 minute chart and see if I can see the trades of Nick. Nick is taking what do you see, Nick, here? I'm trying to understand what Nick sees. There's a news right now is out. I don't understand what Nick would see there. These kind of things you could have said it, Nick. Tell me if I'm wrong. Like these highs and these fake flag, and right now we're breaking this flag here. No, okay. Why it does not show up my settings there? Not even close. Ah, thank you for the honesty. Hi, Briars have control, so I'm looking long. Okay, amazing. Love that. I love that idea. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, brother. Good point. Good point. Good point. What is the opening print level of today? Here at 9:30. Okay. Let me put a line here at the opening. Can I change edit line? Yes, but does not allow me to edit anything here. I'm aiming for where the fuck it's written here. Opening print. Bogdan as well, waiting for a pullback and went long. The long idea, I agree with you guys, it's stronger. Yeah, and Celeste control, it's good point too. I'm gonna. I like how I put the buy limit order and it did not fail me. Looking to this to get me out of this trade. Definitely it looks like it wants to sell a little bit more now. We've taken some good highs there as well in ES. If we go to ES and we here, ah, it just it just blocked. Ah, it was loading. Okay, wow, just blocked. MES H6. I'm trying to understand why show me I'm in a short in it. Okay, some fresh in there, load in there. It took some time. Not good. Let's see. Is it my internet not good? My co-work, your YouTube is not receiving enough video maintain. What the heck? The dog is back. I don't know if it's my internet, guys. Kind of these days is not the best. So, but what would happen here in ES is we grabbed some great highs there. If we go to the hour, you see it. This double top here has been grabbed. So right now we can definitely correct for a while. You didn't get my take profit there by just a little bit, huh? Yes, still weaker. I like this idea of selling here one more contract. Adding one more contract there to sell. Ah! I want to buy. What I need to show right now is bar style, change, no. Global chart setting, price volume, task flash price on, tools indicators now, tools history no, history on, yes. Yes, okay, nice. I short, and I short. Osek is long. I see, guys. I mean, I might totally full out of this position. If it happens, is there at the 25,930. So very far from it. That will be my out from this trade. Here above, here. Buyers have control. Mohammed, I will be honest, I do not see how this is going to correct. So, yeah, it was a good chance, guys. Good chance. Don't look at what I do, eh? Don't look at what I do. I'm trading on an evaluation with 3 micros. Suicidal. We'll see. Let's see. Let's give it time. And if it's what is the amount of loss? I have to ask how much can I measure my loss here? If I took from here to here, that is 87 points. 87 points. I will be interesting to have it as well for a dollars amount. Yes, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna ask that. I'm gonna ask for that measures of dollar amount depending on how many contracts you have selected. I really like the idea of Wealthchart, to be honest. Oh, sorry, of Quant Tower that was showing me how much I was losing. I really like the ES taking the previous big level high. That's why kind of I'm shorting NQ as well. I can help you with that. What do you mean with you can help me with that? With the dollar amount, you mean? Calculation? And what do you mean, how can you help me with that? Ah. You mean the use the bracket things? Quantity free. It does. It already shows the quantity I have compared to what I have here. That's very smart. If that was their intention. Because they already put quantity free, so it means that I'm risking $336 here on the top. Yes. Stop 84 points. That's $336. Yeah. All right, because 84 is 100. No, that's more. Quantity free. Next dimension medium. Risk money here, yeah. Risk money $300. Okay. Account size, it doesn't matter. Okay, risk money. Yes, I should have done it as a default. Wait. Set as default, set as default. Nick is getting. My goodness. I'll come back. Wait, give me a second. I'm just reading. Target color, stop color, enterprise, account size, risk money. Yeah, this is makes what's my 300 pounds, $160, $120. Now I understood. Now I understood. No, no, now I understood the data that shows me here. So what's happening here is that every time you notice it, every time I change this, no, you don't. Wait, let me tell you something first. The moment I move up and down, for example, here it shows me stops 30, 40 points, 40, 40, 50 points. Up to 50 points, you can still see that it advised me free contracts to respect the $300 limit amount. If I go higher, it tells me you have to go to 2 contracts. If I go lower, here it tells me go 5 contracts to respect the $300 maximum amount to lose. 30, 60, 120, 240. Yes, that makes sense. So if I go here, stop. We don't have to call. You're getting crazy. Yeah, just, look, 41 points. It tells me 4 contracts. ES is going down, guys, by the way. I like the short idea here more. I'm looking for my targets there. Later you show me. I don't understand what you mean with placeholders. La la no 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 no. 7 people today. How people are not watching anymore now that I don't have 20 funded accounts? Interesting. 20 funded accounts is something to trigger people to watch. Probably good things for me to stop live streaming for a while. But probably I might do it, guys. I'm thinking to do it. No, 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 no. Let's see what we can do here. Looking for these targets to get hit, guys, on these evaluations. Why? What the? Ah! Freaking Google that kicks me out and tells me, oh, let me verify that it's you. Man, I've been connected with the same computer for the last freaking year. 28. Yes, 28. Go. Log me in. Piece of crap. Good chance. It doesn't matter. I don't really care. Look into what I was saying in DC. Oh, okay, that's much better, man. You send me the, because explanation, it's impossible. It puts the order info or you with auto stop and target. Ah, I mean, yeah, I mean, if I did this short, I'm gonna put them here randomly. Quattro contratti. Quattro contratti, $40 stop loss. $40 stop loss. Ah, what is the modification? That's okay. I will think about this later. Do you know if you can free your accounts and buy, copying them, pass the exam and all accounts at once? Yes, Dominic, you can copy trade as many valuation as you want. No limitation. Looking for this target, guys. Looking for these lows. Looking for these lows. ES is just selling off nicely, guys. Look at ES. Look at ES here selling off nicely after taking big highs there. So we have some space there in ES to go a bit lower. Which method is Mazan? Which method I use? The randomness. I take what I like. I like to go short, I took short. I like to go long, I take long. I go random. I follow to my heart tells me to do. Okay, for these things to come a bit lower, but it doesn't want to do it, guys. It doesn't want to do it. Still fighting there. Still very strong, like many people of you say, like Nick said it, Muhammad said it. Don't stop streaming, Balzer. Thank you, man. Appreciate your support. Don't stop streaming. Don't stop streaming. Ooh, don't stop me. Oh, don't stop streaming. Don't stop streaming. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ask that. I swear, I should put DAX with long and short and neutral and no trades and see which one will work. "60-second race." Again, YouTube that tells me to verify for the second time. It's crazy. Are you someone of you trying to hack me? You try to hack my account, guys. Man, I don't have money, guys. What the heck are you gonna hack me? Yasul! What's up? Let's do it. 2 participants, long and short. Let's do it. Duck race. Duck race. Let's see. Edit list. Long. Short. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Can we have them green and red? Oh, there was Trump. That would have been a good one. Both green. Green and red. Sounds good. I forgot to put neutral. Oh, the long one, guys. You're the short one. I knew it. I had to short this market. I knew it. I knew it, guys. I knew it. I'm gonna sell one more contract. I knew it. I knew it, guys. I imagine the situation. This guy probably trading for years, trying to be profitable, and he enters here and he's like, this guy is just going with the randomness of duck to enter long or short. That would be so funny, man. That would be so funny to see the reactions. What is my strategy? I ask for the duck. I ask the ducks to tell me where to go, what to take. Honestly, that would be an amazing video, huh? Honestly, that would be an amazing video. Just take an evaluation and take a trade every day using duck race. Why my live stream is having difficulty? And ask that. That would be so funny. Every day, one trade. That could be a great video for YouTube. Yes. Or bust. Oh, so without even stop loss. Just not even one-to-one. Just or target or bust. These dogs are annoying, guys. Guys, it's 10.5. I didn't even realize it. So I'm gonna let these things to go whatever he wants to do. I'm gonna put a stop loss. I'm gonna put a stop loss. I believe I'm gonna put it there above. I wanted to trade these longs, but I'm at market open. Yeah, that would be nice, right? And like look for aggressive scalps or stuff like that. I'm gonna put the stop loss here, somewhere here. Buy. Show me how to pass. All in short. All in short. Don't be scared. All in short, guys. Guys, I have to go now. It's 10.5. Love you all. See you tomorrow again. I blew up yesterday all my funded accounts. So I'm trading very slowly, in a very funny way, relaxed. and we're gonna go back with this proper strategy soon again. I'm taking a little break these days. Here, live streaming with you, but not taking it seriously. It's only during the day, during the night they don't bark. Apart this morning early, but I was already awake for work. Have a good one, guys. Love you.